So example 9. The hollow sphere in which is the circus motorcyclist perform his stunts has a diameter of 7 centimeter. Find the area available to the motorcyclist of riding. So area find out பண்ண சொல்லிருக்காங்க. We know that area of the formula, this is 7 meter. Okay, so given diameter is 7 meter, so t equal to 7, so r equal to 7 by 2 meter. Okay, next surface area of the sphere equal to 4 pi r square, so 4 into 22 by 7, radius value 7 by 2, so 7 by 2 the whole square, so 4 by 7 into 22, 7 by 2 into 7 by 2, 2 2s are 4 will be cancelled, 7 7 will be cancelled, so 22 into 7, answer is 154 meter square. Next example 10. A hemispherical dome of a building needs to be painted if the circumference of the base of the dome is 17.6 meter. Find the cost of painting. It given the cost of painting is 5 rupees per 100 centimeter square. Okay, so what is the question? The hemispherical dome of a building is need to painted. So the hemispherical dome will be painted if the circumference of the base, circumference of the diameter hemisphere. So we know that hemisphere shape. So circumference of the base. So this is the circumference. So we know that this is a look like the circle shape. So circumference of the base formula is 2 pi r. Okay, so circumference of the base value is 17.6, so 17.6 equal to 2 pi r. We need to find out the radius value because find the cost of painting is given. The cost is rupees 5 per 100 meter square. So 100 meter square ku 5 rupees nu sollirukanga. So paint பண்றதுனால we need to find out the CSA of the given dome, that is hemispherical dome. So CSA formula is 2 pi r square. So we need to find out the radius value. Okay, so 17.6, 2 into pi value is 22 by 7 and r value is find out value. So multiply 17.6, 7 will be multiplied and 2 into 22, 44 is divided value. Solve this value, we get radius is 2.8 meter. Okay, so next CSA of the dome, that is hemispherical dome. Okay, formula we know that 2 pi r square. So 2 pi r square can be written as 2 pi r into r, because r into r. Already we know that 2 pi r value is 17.6. So 17.6, we find out the r value, so 2.8. So multiply those value, we get 49.28 meter square. Okay, so cost of painting 100 centimeter square is rupees 5, but the question in meter. So cost of painting per meter square equal to rupees 500 rupees. How is it now? 100 centimeter equal to, that is 1 meter square equal to 100 centimeter square. So multiplied by 100 centimeter equal to 1 meter square, sorry, 1000 centimeter square equal to 1 meter square. So inga multiplied by 100, now here also multiplied by 100. So this is 1 meter square, rupees is 500 rupees. Okay. So next, therefore cost of painting the whole dome, not dome, equal to 500 rupees, 500 per meter square into overall value required area is 49.28. So multiply those value, we get 24640. This is required answer. Okay.